Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and I am excited to share with you that we have reached a full year of having our Momentum devotionals out and available to the public. And I thought what I would do today is just flip through my Bible and show you all the different Momentum Bible journaling that we have done in the last year. So let's go ahead and do that. I'll place some music in the background so you won't be so bored. And there you have it. In 12 months, we've gone through 60 Bible journaling kits. That's 60 verses that we've been focused on. We worked on different topics that are You Are Beautiful, Unmovable Mountain, Stand in the Truth, Thank You, Never Too Busy, Renew, Overflowing Love, He Created, Rise Up, Dream Big, Where Are You God, Unfailing Faith, and Being Content were all of our topics that we worked on. And we also had a series of other videos, quite a few of them to work on, where we talked about techniques in the Bible such as gelatos, pencils, watercolors, acrylics, stamps, doodling, crayons, digital elements, pastels, inks, monoprinting, drawing faces, and markers. We have so much more in store for you in the next year, and I'm excited to journal along with you. I hope that you guys will consider joining us for our next year, and go ahead and learn more about Momentum in the link below. I hope you guys have a fabulous day now, and thanks for giving me a chance to show you some of our fun Momentum devotionals over the last year. Have a great day. We'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.